Have you ever wanted to display header differently for the desktop version and for the mobile version, for example, to change the order of the things like moving this button to the left and menu button to the right while keeping the logo on the left side? Today I am going to show you how to do it quickly and easily without effects on the desktop version while keeping the order different for tablet or mobile views. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to change the order of the things in the menu or anywhere on your website by using Elementor default options. Without further ado, let's dive in. We will click Edit with Elementor option, and when it opens we will click on the header, since in this case we want to change the order in the header. After editing of the header is enabled, we can switch to the tablet view. For example, in this case, in the header container, we have the three widgets: site logo, WordPress menu and the button. In case if we want to make changes, for example, to move the button before the WordPress menu, if we do it this way, when we return back to the desktop, you can see that it affected the desktop version too. The perfect and easy way to do it, instead of doing it like this, is by selecting the widget that we want to change the order in the tablet view, in this case, for example, and going to Advanced tab. And here you can find the order option, which allows us to move the selected widget to the start or to the end. For example, if we move it to the start, you can see that when we switch to the desktop version it stays where it is, but on the tablet view it's moved to the start. But these options are good when you have two widgets in the container and you want to change the order of those two. In our case, like now, when we have three different widgets, the perfect way to do it would be to go to the custom, and by clicking the custom order with the input field will be displayed, and by clicking to it we are able to enter the number of the order that we want to place the selected widget to. In our case, we want to move the button widget to the second place in the header container, and by typing the number 2 it will place it to the second place. But as you can see, nothing changed. Since we are doing it this way, we need to define the custom order number for each widget in the specific container where we are changing the order of the things. So now we are going to click on the WordPress menu and again going to the Advanced tab. Under it, go to the custom, and in this case we will type number 3 since we want it to be on the third position, and now you can see that it changed. For example, since this already looks like we wanted, we can leave it like this, but for the consistency I usually prefer to define the number also for the third item. In this case we are going to select Advanced and going to Order and type 1. And then we can click Publish. And when we switch to the desktop view, you can see that the menu stays as it is, but when we switch to the tablet view, you can see that order stays as we already defined it. As you probably already know, defining it for the tablet view, it also defined it for the all lower resolutions, for example for the mobile too. As you can see, when we switch to it, order keeps the same structure as for the tablet too. In case if you want to make the mobile view to look somewhat different to the tablet, you can again change the order for the things in the mobile view and they will stay for the mobile view, but when you switch to the tablet they will be exactly as you defined it for the tablet view, as you probably know from your previous experience by using Elementor, since all the options on the left side that are marked with the mobile, tablet or desktop icon are remembered only for the selected view that you are editing currently. And that would be pretty much it. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the more videos like this, and see you in the next video. Bye!